guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a haul video. So e.l.f. recently launched in India here at Nykaa, and today I'm going to show few of the products that I picked up. So if you want to see what all I got, then keep on watching and hit like to this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Comment down below what products you like or what you have purchased from e.l.f. And now let's get started. First, let's start with skincare. First, I bought this product called the e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. This is a lightweight mist that refreshes and moisturizes your skin. This mist has coconut and vitamin E, which makes it really hydrating. I personally love mist. I keep on using it continuously. I just keep spritzing it all over my face. I use it as a skincare product, but also when my makeup is a bit too cakey or chalky, I do spray this all over my face, and that makes my skin look really dewy. This product is for 80 ml for rupees 1100. You can see I have almost used half of it because I love this product so much. I keep using it every single day, and once it's over I'll definitely restock it because it has become my favorite. Next, I purchased this product. It is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Holy Hydration Face Cream. Now this one is 50 grams and it is for rupees 1700. Now this cream is a silky smooth textured cream which helps moisturize your skin and keeps the balance of moisture in your skin. This cream has hyaluronic acid and peptide complex, and also the packaging is so pretty. This is how the actual cream looks like. This product is lightweight, it absorbs easily onto the skin and gives a supple skin, and also it is suitable for all skin types. Also the texture is really creamy. When you apply it, it easily seeps into your skin. So this one has a fresh fragrance to it. I use it at the night time in my nighttime skincare routine. I use it after a toner. So far I'm loving this product and I think I'll keep repurchasing it. Now I also purchased few makeup related stuff that I was really excited about. So the very first product that I got my hands into is the e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer in Brightening Lavender. It is a multi-purpose primer. It fills in the lines and pores and makes the base really smooth so that makeup can go on evenly. This also helps in hydrating the skin really well before your makeup. And the product actually looks purple, but when you mix it up onto your skin, the purple color doesn't show, and it makes your skin so smooth. It's like butter. Your foundation glides so easily. This is another product that I love really lot, and I think I'll keep repurchasing it because it's such a good primer. And this primer is for rupees 800. For those who gets a really hard time while blending their foundation, I think this primer is one for you because once you apply it, the foundation glides and blends so easily. Also, I picked up this cute little bite-sized palette from e.l.f. It's in the shade Pumpkin Pie and it retails for rupees 400. I picked up this shade because these are the colors that I usually use on a daily basis, and this bite-sized palette have 4 shades. In this particular one, they have 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. You can see I have used this palette a lot and I really love this one. It's smooth, blends really easily. I can use it on a daily basis. It's really a everyday kind of a palette which I really love. All shades of bronze and browns in here. Also, all these shades are really pigmented, so I really love that about this palette. It is affordable, also the pigment is good, the formula is good, it is smooth, it blends easily. So I really love these bite-sized palette. I think I'll be purchasing more shades from this range. It's really easy to carry with you when you travel, and also for beginners who don't need a full sized big 18 pen palette, you can start with this kind of mini palette, which is really good. Then I purchased this e.l.f. monochromatic multi-stick in the shade Luminous Berry. And this blush stick is for rupees 600. So this is a cute little blush stick. It is actually a versatile stick. You can also use it as an eyeshadow when you're on the go. You can apply it as a blush, glowy monochromatic kind of a look. Now this product do have some glitter particles in it. So this is also perfect for parties and evening events. So you might not like it during daytime because it will show the glitter particles, but if you're okay with it using it daytime, this is really good. It blends out really easily. I just put it on my cheek and blend it out with a sponge, and it gives the most beautiful natural dewy and glowy pink look to my face. So when I want all liquid or cream products on my face and I don't want to use powder, I use this blush. It makes my skin and my look really dewy and glowy and fresh. I'll just swatch it for you how this shade looks like. It might look really dark just right here, but it really blends out sheer. This is the Luminous Berry. This is how the color looks like. Then I also purchased an eyebrow pencil. It's the Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the shade Deep Brown. Now this product is for rupees 300, and here you have the product, and in the end you have the spoolie. This helps in defining and filling in your brows to give a very polished look. I use it on a daily basis, and at this price point I think this product is really pretty decent. Everyone uses eyebrow pencil on a daily basis, so this one can be your everyday eyebrow pencil. The last product that I have is a lip lacquer. It's the e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Clear. I bought the shade Clear, but there are more other shades like nudes and sparkly kind of shades that you can totally try out. This product is for rupees 400. I need a clear gloss when I apply a nude lip liner. Sometimes what I do is just apply a clear gloss above it without any lipstick. Sometimes when I use a nude lipstick or any dark lipstick, I prefer a glossy lip and I layer this lip lacquer above it, and it makes my lips look juicy and plump. Also, this one smells really beautiful like vanilla. This is how the wand looks like, and the product itself is a bit thick, creamy kind of a gloss. It's not very liquidy, so that's the reason it stays really long on your lips, and this kind of formula is something that I really love in my glosses. As you guys can see that I have purchased a lot of product from e.l.f. I really love each one of it. I am really satisfied with the product, the quality, and I think I'll be repurchasing some of my favorites from this haul that I did. So the reason I filmed it a lot later is because I really wanted to use every product and give you a short kind of review. I really love each of the product. Some of my favorites from this haul is definitely this mist, the moisturizer, and the primer. Overall, the price and the quality of the products are really good. I'll definitely be repurchasing some of these. Comment down below what your favorite product is, or if you've tried any other product from e.l.f. let me know how you like that product in the comment section below. Like this video and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.